This is Awesome the Possum. Look, oh my goodness. My husband hates this possum. And he's really well fed because he eats all the scraps of the cat food. And I think the cats don't like him either, but what a curious little animal. So I think he could smell that cat food for our cats. Awesome, get out of here. You're spooky looking. Oh my God. Hey guys, running Kimono. So Dollar General is on fire today, including getting these snuggles for a quarter or 2 cents, depending where you live. Very inexpensive cleaners, a whole bunch of goodies, and some food. Clearance event is Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I made multiple videos, one including POG finds. Check it out. I'll link them out at the end. And I think tomorrow I'm going to try and do 5 off of 25, or maybe like 2 of them. With some clearance merchandise, because I love this event, and I think it's not going to come around probably till maybe May, June, around there. It's going to be like 3 months, but I'm so happy that it's back. But yeah, just some amazing stuff. And I think for this table of stuff, guys, maybe I paid like under $5, so that's absolutely what it's all about. Weather report for you guys, a beautiful day. Hi to my mom if she's watching. We don't have any kittens today. A lot of you were really concerned about the cats in the last video. There is a barn over here and it's heated. The gentleman who has the barn has prized horses that he boards for a whole bunch of people in Michigan. So the cats are fine. They're basically like to catch mice. And if you know anything about cats, they're barn cats, but they're also very social. So they like to come here to visit our cats, and it's part of their daily routine. We feed them. But when the weather is really, really awful, they stay at that barn because it's heated. So I know a lot of you were concerned. They're fine. There is a farmer that has them, but we just love to feed them because we love cats. We have 3 of our own. So thank you to everybody who is concerned. They're fine. And there's none of them here because they're probably doing their mousing duties right now. Okay, Dollar General, let's get at it. Let's get at it. So 5 different store cards today. I was on fire. So this is the first little deal. To grab one of these snuggles for $4 on the nose, we have a $3 digital coupon, dropping it down to $1. That's okay. This is better. Grab one of these eyeshadows, part of the POG. At my store, it was $2.25. So for the purchase of these 2, we're looking at $6.25. We have a $3 for the snuggle, a $3 for this eyeshadow, making it a quarter plus tax. That's a little something called awesome. So just to answer a quick question, because a lot of people will probably say, well, it's supposed to be a 3 off a 2, because that's how it's tagged as the sales promotion and in the flyer at the store. However, you read the fine print of the digital coupon, it's $3 on 1, the all 4-in-1 pack, comma, Snuggle liquid fabric softener, comma, or shake scents. How I'm reading this and how the coupon is working is off of 1 product. It doesn't say you have to buy 2 to get this $3. So I'm not sure if it was a typo, both in the ad and in the stickers at the store, or they just wanted you to buy 2. But that's how I read it, and that's how it's working at the store. If you have issues with this, do not do the deal, but as how I read the coupon and my interpretation of it, it is fine off of 1, and that's how it's working, off of 1 product. Now, a different way, if you live in a larger city, this guy's $4. This guy rings up for $2.02. So for the 2, it's $6.02. Subtracting the 3 for this guy, the 3 for this guy, you're paying 2 cents plus tax. This is once per store card, so it's really fantastic. And I did it over 5 different store cards because it's just such a fabulous deal. I wanted to get in on it, and I'm really delighted with what I got. You can either get the Snuggle, the shakers, or I think the smart packs by all. So what a great little deal. Okay, now the Mr. Clean refill, this guy was $1.35. We have a $1 digital coupon, dropping it down to 35 cents. The next item that we have is the Clorox. This is a fabric sanitizer. So it was on clearance for $1.35. Now, I had a problem with some Clorox that I had purchased where for whatever reason, it was some wipes, and I had purchased it recently. They were completely dry, so I wrote to the manufacturer and said, hey, like, what gives? And they sent me back a courtesy, it was a whole bunch of coupons, and I had $3 off of any, which is really unique. I did not grab a photo of it because it's not really pertinent. I think most of you will not have it. I just had an issue with my Clorox wipes, so they try to always make it better. So for this, I got $1.65 of overage. I had 3 of those magic coupons, so I got some overage today. These are the Dollar General, it's like that Febreze stuff. It's like that you put on couches that smell. These guys were 67 cents each. I got 5 of them, so that's $3.35. Not the worst little deal. The L'Oreal Elvive or Elvis. I like calling it Elvis because it's the worst name for a shampoo, L'Oreal Elvive. So these guys are, you buy 2 of them, it's $3.60. We have a 4 off of 2 digital, so it's free plus 40 cents of overage. Now I know that a lot of people were saying that their coupon wasn't attaching. This is the one that I got, and yes, it did attach. I got both a shampoo and conditioner for each transaction, so I don't know if that makes a difference or not, but I was still able to get 40 cents of overage over 2 store cards. Now this is a pretty good little find. I know a couple days ago, a lot of the, these are like Christmas gift sets, or I don't think it's a Valentine's Day gift set. They were like 90%, and they were 50% off of that today. So they must have been like 50 cents a couple days ago, 90% off, and now they're a quarter. If you have a store that's 70% off, it will be 12.5 cents or 12 cents for you. So I got 3 of these, and I found them on an end cap, and then another store I found them right at the front on that black shelf. So I got these Durell Japanese cherry blossoms. So it says compared to Bath and Body Works. I find that kind of funny. This little lip gloss set, 25 cents. Last item is this little bath sit. It's called Pomegranate Fig. It looks really cute, and it has little eye patches too. Okay, so I did have a lot of self-restraint today at the store because I love cheese balls. They're so delicious, and these are $1.25. Shout out to the freebie guy. He was talking about this on his Instagram, so I got only 1, and I used some overage to pay for most of it, but I was really delighted to get these because, I mean, big thing of cheese balls for $1.25. I might buy another one tomorrow, but I don't know. Before in the past, I've always bought a couple of them, and I always have to like donate them right away because I'll eat one in like a day, and then I'm like, these are addictive. So maybe like this video if you have a similar problem to me, but I love these cheese balls. Okay, so this is another superb deal. It's with these moths, and they are 64 fluid ounces, so that's a lot. They expire May the 28th, so I think that's probably why they want people to buy these right away. So 2 of these on clearance is $2.25. We have $1 off 2 digital coupon, so it makes it $1.25 for 2. That's a really great price point for this amount of juice. And then another little item that I got, and I just got this for my in-laws. I know they like to make lemonade. These were $1.17 each, so a really great price point for these. So guys, maybe you could let me know what you're hauling, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.